James Bond is a genre that I love. You know, like everyone else, I've watched them from an extremely young age, and I just always loved the, you know, the combination of the glamour and the action and the wit. And I think what we've really done with Johnny English, as opposed to Austin Powers and all those more obviously parodic comedy spy movies, is I think all we've done with Johnny English is try to have, you know, more comedy and wit and slightly less glamour and action. Although in this film, well, we've tried to push all three or four qualities. But I always thought that the first Johnny English was sort of not much more than a Roger Moore James Bond film with a slightly more ludicrous, you know, central character and more jokes. But in terms of tone and location and style, it's sort of a Bond movie. And that's what we've tried to replicate again with Johnny English Reborn. We've just tried to make a film where comedy is emphasised, but the action is still there, and the story is still there. And I hope to a greater extent than the first film, the story is more interesting, more enjoyable, and more engaging.